All right, all right, all right. Look at that. Oh, look what I got. Sorry it's so big in the frame. 89 Topps baseball. Cool. Look at there. Unopened. Got the gum in there, though, boy. The gum, it's going to ruin a card, probably. We'll see. But isn't that cool? Look at that. I like these. There's a lot of rookie cards in 89. Randy Johnson, John Smoltz, Mark Grace, Steve Avery. I can't even remember. Anyway, there's a lot of good cards in this set. Some All-Stars, Mattingly, Clemens, Wade Boggs, Ryne Sandberg. A lot of good base cards, too. Nolan Ryan, Cal Ripken, Bo Jackson. Lots of great cards in this set. I cannot. Let's just go ahead and dig into a couple of them right now. Let's see what we get. Let's set this up because I know I'm gonna find something off the hook in here. All right. This is exciting. All right, so look at that gum. Okay, so it didn't ruin the card. Oh, well, maybe I say that. It's semi stuck to it, but anyway, that's Luis Aquino. Taking a hit for the team. It's a good-looking card, though. All right, let's see who we got here. Let's open a few up. All right. Tom Niedenfuhr. I do not know how to say your name, Tom. I'm sorry, but Mike Kingery, Randy Reddy, Greg Briley, Mark Clear, Joe Cotta. So we'll sit Joe to the side. Mitch Webster, Neil Allen is a Yankee. Then I always keep the Yankees and the Braves. Let's grab a few more here. Jeff Montgomery, Dave Palmer. Oh, look at that. Is this, oh no, this is not. Doug Jones, record breaker. Okay. Jeff Ballard, that's a good one. Wally Joyner, like that. Pirates leaders, we got Tony Gwynn right here in the picture. That's a good one. All right, that's not bad. Not a bad pack. Let's do another one. Nobody really significant to speak of out of that pack. So let's see who we find here. We got Richard Dotson, who's carrying the gum. Let's see if we can get it off. Yeah, it did. It did leave some residue, but thankfully it's not a Nolan Ryan or something. Sorry, Richard. Nothing against you, bro. But anyway, all right. Let's see who we got here. Les Lancaster, Dennis Eckersley. That's Dennis is always a good one to have. I'll stick him back here. I like Dennis. Astros leaders, Ken Phelps, John Morris, Dave LaPointe. All right. Let's see who else we got in that pack. Craig McMurtry, Gene Larkin, Tom Trebelhorn, the manager of the Brewers, Scott Geraltz. Am I saying that right, Scott? All right. Mark Davis, Mike Smithson, Pat Clements, and Mike Davis. All right. Nothing to get excited about yet. Let's do one more, and then we'll call it quits for this round. Nothing to write home about yet. All right, who's taking the hit with the gum? 88 record breaker. Who is that gonna be? Somebody Carter. Gary Carter. Tough one. Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Jeff Reardon. There we go. Darryl Strawberry. Oh, it's a good-looking card. Nicely centered. Nice. And a Strawberry All-Star, which is also in pretty good shape. Good one, Darryl. All right. And we got Ramon Martinez, Pat Perry, Bobby Bonilla. All right. Last ones. Jose Lind, Chuck Krim, Pat Tabler, Paul Molitor, Mike Alderete, Eric Show, Melito Perez, and rounding it out, Mark Langston. All right. Hey, not bad, though. Not bad. Out of 3 packs, we got the always popular Dennis Eckersley, couple of Strawberries. We got the Joe Carter, which is a good one, probably. And then I always keep Yankees and Braves. So we've got a few Yankees here. They're always popular. So anyway, not a bad start to this box. And we got a ton of them to go. So anyway, thanks a lot. Let me go eat this gum. All right. Hey, thanks a lot for being here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please come back and see us. Subscribe to our channel. We're doing stuff like this all the time. And we would love to have you here as a part of our family doing things like this. So thanks a lot again for being here. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you the next time.